गुड मॉर्निंग टू एवरीबॉडी। हम एमएससी सेमेस्टर थर्ड में माइक्रो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स में फर्स्ट यूनिट डिस्कस कर रहे हैं। लास्ट टर्न पे हमने डिस्कस किया था कंडक्टर अटेन्यूएशन इन द रेक्टेंगुलर वेवगाइड। आज हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं कंडक्टर अटेन्यूएशन इन सिलेंड्रिकल वेवगाइड। टुडे वी विल बी डिस्कस द कंडक्टर अटेन्यूएशन of the various modes in the cylindrical or the circular waveguides. We start from the TM mode, transverse magnetic mode. We know that the power loss per length of the waveguide length is given by the PL equal to the RS by 2 integration for the conducting surface, entire conducting surface, HT square ds1. ds1 is the area of this one. So we can write RS by the 2 0 to 2 pi because the phi angle is changes in between the range 0 to 2 pi, and the integration of the h0 square plus h phi 0 square and the rho equal to a multiplied by the a d phi. Substituting the value of the h rho 0 and h phi 0 as we have calculated earlier, we can write PL equal to the power loss per unit length equal to the RS by 2 integration in between the 0 to 2 pi, and by substituting the value the h rho 0 square, that is bn square omega square epsilon square n square by the a square kc for j n square function of the kca in the sin square n phi, and if you substitute the value of the h phi 0, that will be the bn square omega square epsilon square kc square and the j n dash, the integration differentiation of the j n dash square kca cos square n phi multiplied by the a d phi. Now, from the boundary conditions, we can know that the Jn Kca equal to 0. So, first term of in above equation is 0 because for this case, this is the 0. So, we can write for the Tm mode the power loss per length PL of the Tm equal to Rs by 2 Bn square omega square epsilon square Kc square Jn dash Kca multiplied by the A 0 to 2 pi cos square n phi d phi, and by integration of this, the standard differentiation integration of this, you can write pi a beta n square f by the fc square rs by the 2 j n dash square kca. And now we want to calculate, because we want to calculate the alpha, so that's we also have to calculate the power transmitted through the waveguide. So pt for the Tm mode, Gtm, that is the characteristic impedance of the Tm mode, Ztm by the 2 f by the fck square 1 by eta square integration for the whole cross section bn square jn square kca cos square n phi rho d phi. Now we can use the two different parts of the integrations. So Ztm by the 2f by the fc square 1 by eta square 0 to 2 pi 0 to a bn square jn square kca cos square n phi rho d phi d rho, and on integration of this the d phi we can obtain Ztm by the 2f by fc square 1 by eta square beta n square pi 0 to a rho jn square kc rho d rho, and using the properties of Bessel functions we can write rho j n square kc rho d rho equal to लिख सकते हैं अपन rho square by the 2 of multiplied by the j n dash square kc rho plus 1 minus n square rho square kc square j n square rho kc, and the next terms 0 to a rho j n square kc rho d rho, इसका इंटीग्रेशन करेंगे हम तो मिलता है सब्स्टिट्यूट करने पे in place of the rho we can write the a. So a square by the 2 multiplied by the j n dash a kc plus 1 minus n square kc square a square j n square kc a plus that is equal to the a square by the 2 j n dash square a kc. So using for the Tm mode we can say j n kc equal to 0. So pt Tm, that is power transmitted per unit length, Ztm by the 2 f by fc square 1 by eta square b square n pi a square by the 2 j n dash square kca. So the attenuation constant for this alpha c for the conductor, Tm for the cylindrical, because the circle is represent the circular waveguide or the cylindrical waveguides, and that is divide कर दिया जाए हम, that is PL by the twice PT. So the pi a n square beta n square f by fc square rs by 2 g n dash square kca divided by twice of the ztm by the 2 f by fc square bn square pi a square by the 2 g n dash kca, and the alpha CTM for the rs by the a ztm. If you substitute the value of the ztm, that is we can write rs by the a eta root of the 1 minus fc by the f square. This is the calculation for the TM mode. Now if you want to calculate for the TE mode, so for the TE mode, power loss per unit length is can be calculated like this one, that is PL equal to the rs by 2, that is conductor surface ht square ds1 को हम चेंज कर दें a d phi और dz में, तो मिलता हमें rs by 2 0 to 2 pi h phi 0 square plus ht square 0 square a d phi dz. सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दें h0 और h phi की वैल्यू, तो वी ऑब्टेन PL इक्वल टू rs by 2 इंटीग्रेशन इन बिटवीन 0 to 2 pi for the phi b z square n square a n square by the a square kc4 j n square kca sin square n phi plus a n square j n square kca cos square n phi a d phi, and dz integration is 1 sorry. So the rs by the 2a n square pi bz square n square divided by a square kc4 plus 1 and jn square kca function of this one, and the power transmitted for the TE mode pt equal to 1 by 2 z TE n square f by fc square इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ फॉर द क्रॉस सेक्शन एच टी 0 स्क्वायर ds को हम एक्सपेंड कर देते हैं और एच टी की वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट कर देते हैं, तो मिलता है हमें 1 डिवाइड बाई ट्वाइस ऑफ द जेड टी ई एन स्क्वायर एफ बाई एफ सी स्क्वायर 0 to 2 pi a n square j n square k c rho cos square n phi d rho d phi, and on calculating it we can obtain n square f by f c square twice of the zte 0 to a n square pi rho j n c square k c rho d rho. Substituting the boundary condition z, that is j n dash of the function of the kc equal to 0, so we can write this pt a equal to the a square n square f by f c square for zte pi a n square j n square function of the kca 1 minus n square kca का whole square. So the attenuation coefficient for the TEMN mode in the cylindrical waveguide is the alpha c TEMN rs by the 2 small a n square pi b z square n square plus 1 divided by the a square kc4 j n square kc divided by the twice a square eta square for z t e pi a n square 1 minus n square kc a का whole square j n square kc. So we can use, substituting the value of the zte and the beta z, we can obtain alpha c te mode rs by the eta a multiplied by the root of the 1 minus fc by the f square and the whole multiplied by the fc by f का square plus n square divided by kca का square minus n square. If you plot the graphs in between the frequency and attenuation coefficients, we obtain like this one for the different modes TM01, TE11 and TE01. So what is the analysis of it? The conductor attenuation of the circular waveguide depends on the frequency as well as the diameter of the tube waveguide. Second, for the TE mode, TE11 mode carries minimum attenuation, जैसे आपको चित्र से दिख रहा है कि इसका कम आएगा TE मोड के लिए, कम फ्रिक्वेंसी के लिए, हाई फ्रिक्वेंसी के लिए TE01 का कम होता है. And third, for the TM0M mode, attenuation decreases with the frequency rapidly. So, दिखता है इसमें. And this is the graph for the TE mode and the frequency. The unique properties of the TE0M mode is makes it very useful for the cross low loss communication link. इसमें देखिए कि जैसे जैसे फ्रिक्वेंसी बढ़ती जाती है, attenuation कोएफिशिएंट कम होता जाता है. तो यदि हम TE0M मोड यदि ट्रांसमिट करते हैं तो इसका पावर लॉस धीरे धीरे कम होता जाता है, डिक्रीज होता है जैसे जैसे फ्रिक्वेंसी बढ़ती जाती है. सो दिस इज मोस्टली यूज फॉर द लो लॉस कम्युनिकेशन एक सिस्टम के बीच में किसी को बीच में जोड़ना होता है तो हम इसको लो लॉस कम्युनिकेशन सिस्टम के लिए काम ले सकते हैं. एंड नेक्स्ट फोर्थ, all wall current associated with the TE0M mode are in the circulation direction only. This property is used for the mode filtration कि आपको किस तरह का मोड चाहिए उसके लिए इसको काम ले सकते हैं. सो आज इतना ही. थैंक यू.